Okay, so here's the next number I want to talk about. Minus 1. Now remember when I was talking about rings, I said A plus X equals B always has to have a solution?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's an interesting problem. What about 2 plus X equals 1?
2 plus X equals 1.
2 plus X equals
This
1.
has to be negative then.
Negative.
Negative. Can you show me 2 oranges? All right, we got that. Can you show me one of something? All right, we got that. Can you show me minus 1 oranges?
No. But
Can you show me minus 1 apples?
No.
Can you show me minus 1 of your brother?
No.
It's hard to think about what minus 1 means, right?
Yeah.
But it satisfies this. 2 plus minus 1 equals 1.
Yeah.
And what about 1 plus minus 1? What does that equal?
It's equals 0.
Hey, it equals 0, that number we were talking about before.
Yay!
So people had to come to understand what these negative numbers meant. And it's, again, negative 1 is a kind of a hard number to, what does it mean? I don't have minus 1 oranges.
Maybe you owe someone 1 orange.
Maybe you owe someone an orange. Yeah, maybe. That would be interesting. If there was a house here that had minus 1 oranges in it,
Yeah.
and I put an orange into it, how many oranges would be in the house now?
0.
0. That's strange, right?
Yeah.
That's strange. But this was a very important concept, by the way, and people had to understand what these negative numbers meant.
Wow.
And when negative numbers were appropriate solutions to equations.
Ooh, cool.
And not just the equation we were talking about, or a simple equation like x plus 1 equals 0.
Yeah.
Okay?
And
And there was a famous time where negative numbers came up, where there was a physicist named Paul Dirac. This was just in the 1900s. He came up, one of his equations had 2 solutions. It had a positive solution and a negative solution.
wow.
The positive solution was the electron, and the negative solution nobody knew about. And he said, well, it has a solution. It has this. My equation has a solution, so this thing must exist. And several years later, people discovered the positron. That's pretty amazing, actually.
Yeah.
So anyway, so that's negative numbers. And again, we're used to this, right? This doesn't scare you. You don't run away when I put minus 1 on the board, right?
No.
Yeah.
But it's hard to, you can't show me minus 1 of something.
No.
You can't show me a house that has minus 1 oranges, so that when I put an orange in, I get 0,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
We don't know where that house is.
No.
So anyway, but you get used to this number, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's talk about another kind of number.